Alright, looking at the chassis lubrication on this Polaris Trail Blazer 250, and we spotted a few others here that are hiding down in here. So you will have, hold on one second, you'll have this guy right here on both wheels. Okay, so you see it kind of dirty down there, but that guy right there. Okay, and then on both A-arms here, right there, and over here, if it'll focus, I won't drop it. Okay, so those two. And then back on the swing arm on both sides, you'll have one here and then one on the other side of the bike, same location. And then way back here on the axle, that one's usually covered up with dirt, so it's sometimes difficult to see. That guy right there. And just use, whatever grease is recommended on your service manual. We just use standard grease, basically. It could be high-performance grease, that's fine, whatever. And that's about all I see here. And then we'll lubricate, any pivot points or anything that rotates or twists or moves. Especially on the gear shift lever over there. Right down in there. Lubricate that little pivot point. And that's what I like to do. Basically anything that moves, pivots, twists, rotates, that sort of thing. Every so often, once a year or something like that. It's good to just give it some lubrication of some sort, whatever's recommended. But as far as the grease fittings, that's what we found on this model. Both wheels, A-arms, rear axle, and swing arm. And that is about it. We missed the two on the front because they were so dirty we couldn't really see them on the wheels. But that's it. Check out our other videos, man. We've got tons of other videos on this 06 Trail Blazer 250. And some other models might share some of the same repairs and maintenance we've done as on this guy. So check it out. Hoping to get this thing done in the coming days, and it's been a tough one, but she runs good now, and we did a little bit of troubleshooting and carburetor work and stuff that may help you. So check out our previous videos. You can just search for Polaris or Polaris Trail Blazer, and you might find some stuff that'll help you. That's it, Biker Dave, Horsepower House. Y'all have a great afternoon. We'll see you.